As our session band tonight, which is Honk. Hello.
Hello.
So you should have a world tour really lined up, and I'm sure after tonight it will happen. But for the time being, you've just got 3 dates that I have in front of me. The 15th of April, legendary Big Hands in Manchester by the Academy over there. The brand new venue, Manchester Canvas, which is actually situated on the site of the old BBC North, isn't it, on Oxford Road?
That's it. It is.
It is, and that's on the 22nd of April. And then the 3rd of May, it's part and parcel of the beginning of the world tour, because you're going from Manchester to Sheffield. Whoa. And on your way back, try and go back via Mamtor and the A555. That's the best route back. Rod has told me, and he's right. Delicious clam on the 3rd of May with delivery.
Yeah.
Excellent, OK. All right, well, you're great. So what's the last song you're going to do for us then? Honk.
This is Let the Dog See the Rabbit, and it goes out to Millie Weston, the Super Trooper dog.
Okie dokie, brilliant. Cheers.
Business.
That was brilliant. Absolutely loved that. So Honk live in session. Let the Dog See the Rabbit. I've given you out the 3 dates they've got. Keep your eyes out for any more that might happen in the future. Thanks so much for coming in and playing for us. And don't scarper before we get a photograph taken with you. All
Cheers.
right.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys. You're great. Absolutely loved that.